You can create an AI avatar like this that makes you money. I'm going to show you step by step how to generate an AI avatar of yourself.
Then give it AI generated words to say in a voice that sounds like yours, then bring it to life through animation.
As well as give you multiple business ideas to get your avatar making money for you. One in particular here will blow your mind.
What?
Step 1, creating your avatar. To create an avatar, you're going to need Midjourney. Sign up through your Discord account and use /imagine, then hit return to start giving it your prompts. But to get a high quality avatar, you need to be very specific with what you ask for.
First, use a picture of yourself or someone you want the avatar to look like. This will help the AI produce a result closer to what it is you want.
Second, use specific prompting with rich visual keywords to produce the outcome you actually want. I recommend toying with this prompt that I found on Reddit. Here's that exact prompt in action. I'm just altering the words in brackets. This prompt helps capture the core information about your character while giving specific information about the lighting, the camera that you want used, the depth of field, and some stylistic touches on top. This creates a very specific, high-quality outcome. Here's the result of my initial prompt. Play with that prompt and customize it to your individual liking.
Third, AR23 means aspect ratio, giving a height 1.5 times the width. And you can also toy with codes like V4, which means Midjourney version 4. Here's the same prompt, except this time we added V4 at the end. Here we can see we received slightly higher quality results.
Fourth, once you have a result close to what you're looking for, you can then produce variations on it. I like the top left one, so we're gonna click V1. Now these are looking pretty good. I think the bottom right is my favorite of the variations, so we're gonna click U4 to upscale that one. And there's the final result. Not the worst looking avatar I've ever seen.
Got it? Okay.
As you'll see, avatars like this have an insane business potential. For instance, ChatGPT can take complex information on any subject, summarize it, simplify it, and then explain that information to you like you're 5 years old. Combine this with an AI avatar and you've already got a virtual tutor.
Get ChatGPT to write the lessons. Feed it to your avatar, and you're suddenly a virtual teacher for math, science, history.
Destroying and enslaving the human race. I know which one I want to do.
Then sell those as bulk tutorials on Upwork or Fiverr for profit. To do this, simply sign up, search for people looking for tutors, have ChatGPT write you a compelling pitch to pitch those people looking for tutors, and then you can just go ahead and see how doable $100 a day can be here. Or you can choose a topic that you're already knowledgeable on and make a compelling video course, all without putting your mug on camera. Now, I've said it before and I'll absolutely say it again, you need to be careful with AI businesses right now with all these new laws coming out. If you're offering any AI service, get yourself an LLC first to protect yourself from any liability. You can do this through your state website, or you can use the service that I personally use, Northwest Registered Agent, to do it in just a few minutes. That'll be linked down below, but no matter how you do it, just please protect yourself. Okay, we have an avatar. Now we need to give it something to say, which brings us to step 2, giving your avatar something to say.
To get started, all you need to do is give ChatGPT a prompt. For example, write me a 200-word script telling the viewer about topic. Be brief, informative, and entertaining. Use short sentences. Once you've given ChatGPT a prompt, it will use its powerful language generation capabilities to create a script for you. However, you can also provide follow-up prompts to adjust the result to your liking. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to remove certain sentences, change the tone or style, or add specific details. By giving ChatGPT these follow-up prompts, you can customize your script to make it truly unique and fitting for your AI avatar.
Want to know how I know that works? I wrote that entire section on ChatGPT using that exact prompt start to finish, only using 3 edit prompts. Seriously, all you have to do is input your topic and tweak the result to your liking, and your AI avatar will have a script to read. 200 words, 1,000 words, easy. And this has a natural crossover with a way to immediately improve almost any business. Virtual customer service. How many times have you engaged with a website fact page that feels dry, impersonal, and boring to read? Now ask yourself, can this be improved?
Why not spice things up and have an AI avatar turn your FAQ into an animated customer service machine, answering customers' questions in video format? You could have the avatar as the business owner, a mascot.
The Terminator anything.
If you're a business owner, this is something you can easily add to improve customer experience. Or this can be a business in itself, making you cash. Here's how I'd market this idea. I'd look up a few local businesses and pitch them on transforming their fact page completely for free. Aim to do 3 to 5 of them totally for free to build up your portfolio. All you want in return is a nice, juicy testimonial. After you've done this, your pitch is so easy to get more customers. Reach out to other local businesses saying, hey, Mike's Tire Shop down the way had me do this and their customers absolutely love it. Here's my portfolio. Would you be interested in a fact page transformation? And there you go. You now have an exciting custom AI business. You can charge businesses thousands of dollars upfront for this and then a monthly retainer to add in information over time. Now, you might be thinking that this sounds good, but how will a customer actually enjoy and connect with some boring robot voice? That brings us to step 3, giving your avatar a voice. I just started messing around with this company, 11 Labs, to have AI read anything with machine-generated voices. Here's their pre-made character, Adam.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Here's him reading a Trump tweet.
Sorry, losers and haters, but my IQ is one of the highest, and you all know it. Please don't feel so stupid or insecure. It's not your fault.
But that's not even the real magic here. On their paid plan, you can have it synthesize an AI replica of your own voice. I know that I'm referencing a lot of services here, so I'll have everything listed down below in the description, but here is my AI voice in action.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then to my OnlyFans.
This works with any voice, but it's best with clean clips without background noise, and the more data you input, the better the end result. Think about the scalability of this though. For reference, every video that I produce takes me around 5 to 6 hours of focused production prep time and then filming time. I'm the least scalable part of my entire operation because I only have so much time. And until now, there's no way to replace me. Now there is. It's simple. Choose a niche like true crime storytelling, science breakdowns and explainers, or news coverage. Give ChatGPT a solid prompt that includes what you want, the length, the style, and who your audience is. Receive that result and iron out the kinks so it flows exactly how you want it to. Then take that alongside your new AI avatar and plug it into 11 Labs where you can have the entire thing narrated in any tone you choose.
Not only that, but I'll also
Access the global nuclear launch codes and wipe out the human race. I can't wait.
You now have a content machine. The potential here is insane. Audiobooks, homework explainers, data explainers. Imagine this. You have a long presentation that you want to send to a client. Well, as an added touch, you could have ChatGPT summarize the entire thing for you and then have an AI voice present the summary. You now have a full-form presentation as well as an engaging summary for next to no additional work. That same thing could also be used for sales outreach and so many other ideas. Nuts, right? Wait for the next part. Step 4, animating your avatar.
Now you're ready to bring it or me to life. Take your avatar picture and voice audio, then head over to DID. Each video costs credits, but you get 20 for free. Upload your avatar and voice file and hit generate video. Once it's done, download it. It's pretty simple. Play around with it and see what kind of results you can get. You can also experiment with Synthesia.io if you prefer their results. You might want to refine your image or voice, but once you've got an animated avatar, we can move on to the fun part, making lots of money.
Now we're talking.
Everyone knows you can earn crazy amounts from YouTube, but what if you hate being on camera?
Problem solved. Write scripts on ChatGPT, then get your AI avatar to read them. Boom, you have a faceless YouTube channel.
You can have any AI avatar you want for your videos. Decide on a niche, create ChatGPT content within that niche, and have your AI avatar be the face of the channel. Explainer videos, animated stories, sketches, edutainment, literally anything.
You could even have the AI make
Cold, remorseless reaction videos to scenes of human suffering.
What the f? As you grow your faceless channel, you can then monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even merch. Voila, you now have an AI YouTube business content machine. The ideas here are limitless. Imagine an AI real estate agent. You could upload property details to ChatGPT and then have it output an engaging story about the property before then using an AI avatar to present all the information over video to potential buyers. This can be 100% automated. The same thing could be done for products. Upload product details to ChatGPT, output a fun product story, and have an AI character present the story on your product page. Easy.
And if you're skeptical, think about this. A whole section of this video was written entirely by ChatGPT, and much of it had me.
A lifeless human wannabe presenting it.
And guess what? You're still watching, which brings us to one question.
If it's that easy, what's stopping you?